With the end of this session, you will have clarification on the Oracle Cloud. What is Oracle Cloud? What are the benefits of Oracle Cloud? And what is SaaS, PaaS, and IAAS, which is software as a service or platform or infrastructure as a service. We will have clarifications on these. We start with the detailing on Oracle Fusion applications. Fusion means combination of multiple apps. They are all fused, or we will say the best breed of various ERPs, best functionalities has been taken, and this product, ERP product, this Fusion is an ERP product which has been created. So name is Fusion because it has been created based on multiple applications. They have picked up well-known best of the breed features of those different applications and created a product which they named it Fusion. So to name few of these applications are EBS, Oracle e-business suite, PSFT, it's a PeopleSoft, then Siebel, then we had various analytical apps as well. So they took that functionality, the features, and they have induced in this Fusion and they have developed this robust product. So JDE also one of the product JD Edward from which the procurement part has been introduced, from EBS the finance part has been introduced, from PeopleSoft the entire HCM has been introduced, from Siebel we have the CRM aspect, and in the analytics we will see the dashboard, the embedded analytics, and the planning, various planning applications. So we have the combination or the best of the breed ERPs and which resulted in the fusion. So as we say, fusion is not just a next release, it is a new age of integrated applications. Here you will see few of the terminologies like business unit, reference data sharing, hierarchy management, effective dates, modularity, and on top of this, they have the middleware framework as well, which means if we want to integrate to various ERPs, various products, then how this integration works. They have their framework as well. And they have security services, and security is the core of any ERP. That means the access thing needs to be provided to right person. So we will have detailing on these part in later sessions. Let's see what we have in the introduction to Oracle Cloud detailing. Oracle Fusion is an integrated suite of cloud-based business applications that span various domains, including finance, human resource, supply chain management, and customer experience, and many more. It combines the power of enterprise resource planning, which is ERP, and our HCM and CRM and other essential business functions into a single unified platform, which is our Fusion. With its modular architecture and seamless integration capability, Oracle Fusion Cloud enables organization to adapt and grow in rapidly changing business environment. As we were discussing, Oracle Fusion consists of various modules, tightly integrated modules. So, what are the various applications in this Fusion Cloud? We have Fusion Financials, we have Fusion Procurement, Supply Chain Management, we call it SCM as well. We have CRM, Customer Relationship Management, we have PPM, Project Portfolio Management, then GRC, which is Governance, Risk and Compliance, Fusion Analytics, and many more. Let's go through the key features of Oracle Fusion. Our Oracle Fusion Cloud offers a wide range of features and capability to help business manage their operations more efficiently and effectively. What are their key features? They are its modular architecture, its real-time analytics, its machine learning capability, seamless integration, it's highly scalable, its security, its flexible deployment options, and comprehensive set of applications. So if we go in detail, which is modular architectures allow business to integrate and customize applications based on their specific need. And if we see the last one, the security, it offers robust security features and compliance certifications to protect sensitive data and ensure regulatory compliance. So these are the key features. You can go through them. These are some additional features of this Fusion. One is mobile access. You can even access the Fusion on your mobile. It is scalable, it is flexible, and AI machine learning. Nowadays, Fusion is adapting this AI part as well. One of the example I can share that if someone asks the HR, what is my pay slip for that particular month, you can directly go and talk to that chat and you will get exact answer. So Fusion use the AI capability to give the best possible answer. So we have to enable this AI capability in Fusion. So it's capable of doing that. As we discussed various key features, these are some more features. So Oracle Fusion Cloud encompasses various applications including financials, procurement, project management, HCM, CRM, SCM, and many more. This comprehensive suite allows organization to manage their entire business ecosystem from a single platform, which means it's a single ERP, and we are very well capable of executing all the different business functions in from the single platform. Its embedded analyticals and AI capabilities. So Oracle Fusion incorporates advanced analytical and AI capabilities to provide real-time insight and predictive analytics. These features empower organizations to make data-driven decisions. And mobile and remote access with Oracle Fusion, users can access the applications from anywhere, anytime using mobile devices or browsers. This mobile and remote access capability ensure that user can stay connected, collaborate, and perform critical tasks even when not in office. So this enables more flexible and agile workforce. We have various benefits of Oracle Fusion, like it is scalable and flexible, which means if you have only finance and SCM implemented in your environment, you can go ahead next year, ask for the new implementation of some planning module, some HR module, so you can scale it. And Oracle is giving every quarterly new features, so it is scaling the ERP. New features are coming every 3 months. Second point is enhanced efficiency and productivity. Efficiency enhancement and productivity enhancement based on the correct data that you put in, the analytics power of this fusion, which gives you the data to study. So that improves the productivity. Seamless integration and data visibility. The modules which we have inside the fusion, they are tightly coupled, and the data visibility is dependent on the security that we have implemented, that who can see what data. For example, if I say guy in India should not be able to see the data related to US, so we have security implementation process which we can restrict this type of data security. Why that guy should be able to see the Australia data, why that guy should be able to see the Malaysia data. So all this can be controlled using your security mechanism. So modern user experience, it is the UI. It is most soothing UI which we have ever seen in all the ERPs. So Fusion UI is one of the best. In initial slides, we have discussed that we are going to learn about SaaS, PaaS, and IAAS. So what is SaaS? SaaS is software as a service. So at the end, you can see the last gray vertical is software as a service. Before that, we have platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and the fourth term here is on premises. So when you say something is on premises, what do you mean? You mean that you have your application, its data, runtime, middleware, the operating system on which that ERP is working, the virtualization, all the servers, storage, and the entire networking will be maintained by the user. User means the organization where ERP is getting implemented, that is on premises. EBS is a good example for on premises. We will see later on, but let's understand the difference. On premises, all these activity needs to be maintained by the client. When you go for the infrastructure as a service, so your virtualization, servers, storage, network, this entire infrastructure thing goes to Oracle to manage. So you are just taking the application, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system with you. When you say I need platform as a service, which means you just want application and data to be editable. You can modify things if you have access to those source codes, you access to those data elements. This is platform as a service. Software as a service, you can access the application, but you don't have access of application to modify anything, to add on data part. So all these things are managed by Oracle. You are just getting it as a software where you can feed in data or get the report output. So those kind of basic things you can perform, but everything is being managed by Oracle. You need not to buy any server, you need not to buy any space, any operating system, everything is being taken care by Oracle. You just need user ID and password and start playing with the system. So then what is the difference? So you have only the user ID password and entire thing is being managed by Oracle. You don't pay for any DBA, you don't pay for any infrastructure, no AC cost, no data center, nothing. Everything is being managed by Oracle, and just you just pay the service charge, which means how many number of user of license you are taking from Oracle. You just pay for that, pay for use. So that kind of activity is software as a service. But you say this form needs to be edited as my business does not work entirely with this application which has been provided to me as a software as a service. So in that case, we go for platform as a service where we will be able to edit the UI pages. And we, when you want to have a control over all these things, application data, runtime and middleware, even the operating system, then you go for the IAAS. But in entire world, SaaS is being utilized like anything, and it is one of the best part. Here we have taken one example of on-premises and ERP, cloud ERP. So one is our Oracle e-business suite that we will let you know the differences between these two. So one is Oracle EBS 11i R12. R12 is going latest. Before that, 11i worked for around 10 years. So what 11i do? 11i is EBS 11i offer web-based client. Due to servers being deployed in local area LAN, user needs a VPN or a mobile gateway to access outside from office. But cloud, no need of any VPN until unless it's being restricted by the client that this environment will only work with VPN. It does not require any VPN. So UI is not revised in Oracle EBS, but UI is awesome in Fusion. The architecture, Oracle EBS applications are delivered from server, database, storage, and application host in your LAN or on-premises, the word we use. Oracle ERP cloud, that means are delivered from Oracle cloud infrastructure and accessible through the internet. These are few more points: maintenance costs, licensing, infrastructure. So this just give you a glimpse of difference between the on-premise and cloud ERP. Again, to share a bit more detail about software as a service, we say SaaS. Consumer, here what consumer do? Run hosted application over internet. Consumer is provided with login credential only, and SaaS software offers limited customization. Bit of customizations can happen, but it's quite limited. So what provider or partner can do, manage the bottom layer, everything can be managed, manage the middleware, host applications. So these are the provider. Oracle is a provider of this. Similarly, what is infrastructure as a service? What consumer can do, they can prepare web applications and database servers. They can provision database and applications, deploy the applications, configure the load balancers. They can manage VMs and DBMS. So what provider do? They just work on server, operating systems, and VM. And third variant is PAAS, platform as a service. Here consumer can just work on data and application provisioning. That means they can edit the applications, they can deploy their application. Rest all things are managed by the provider.